To truly understand the goat, look up, high on impossible ledges where sheer cliffs meet the sky. There, goats move with a grace that defies gravity, masters of the vertical world. Their cloven hooves, split and flexible, grip the tiniest cracks, while a hard outer rim and soft inner pad create perfect traction. This anatomy lets them leap chasms and scale near vertical walls with breathtaking confidence. They thrive where others wouldn't dare, raising young and battling for dominance on the edge of the abyss. From the ibex of the Alps to the markhor of the Himalayas, these animals have conquered the world's harshest heights. Each step is a marvel of evolution, a living symbol of resilience. To watch them is to witness harmony between creature and mountain, a perfect blend of form and function. They are more than animals. They embody the wild, untamable spirit of the mountains. The goat story begins here, where survival is an art, and the summit is home. Our bond with goats is ancient, rooted in myth and necessity. In Greek legend, Amalthea, the sacred goat, nursed the infant Zeus, her horn becoming the cornucopia, a symbol of abundance. This myth reflects a deeper truth. Goats were among the first animals we domesticated, over 11,000 years ago in the Zagros Mountains. They offered milk, meat and hides, allowing our ancestors to settle and build communities. The goat was a key to agriculture and civilization itself. Across cultures, goats became symbols of fertility and prosperity, nourishing generations. The story of Amalthea is a poetic echo of this enduring partnership. Goats have been our companions since the dawn of history, sustaining us in every corner of the world. Their legacy is one of care, abundance, and survival. The domestic goat's wild ancestor, the Bezoar ibex, roams the mountains from Turkey to Afghanistan. Its legacy is not just in its genes, but in the legendary Bezoar stone, formed in its stomach, believed for centuries to be a universal antidote to poison. Kings and emperors prized these stones, wearing them as talismans or dipping them in drinks for protection. The word Bezoar comes from Persian, meaning antidote. Though science has demystified their power, the psychological comfort they offered was real. Hunters risked everything for these treasures, making the ibex a creature of myth and medicine. The Bezoar ibex, wild at heart, carried within it a stone that captivated imaginations for millennia. Look into a goat's eyes and you'll see horizontal pupils, nature's panoramic window. This unique adaptation gives goats a 320-degree field of vision, letting them spot danger from almost any angle. As they graze, their eyes rotate to keep the pupils level with the ground, maintaining a constant horizon scan. This perpetual vigilance is vital for survival, allowing goats to eat and watch for predators simultaneously. Their vision also helps them navigate treacherous terrain, spotting footholds with precision. The horizontal pupils reduce glare and sharpen their view of the ground. It's a visual system perfectly tuned for life on the edge. The goat's gaze is a marvel of evolution, a window into a world of constant awareness. Through these eyes, survival is always in sight. The goat's adaptability is legendary, but it can also be destructive. On St. Helena, a remote island, goats introduced by sailors in 1513 multiplied unchecked. With no predators, they devoured the island's unique forests and plants, driving species to extinction. Their hooves compacted soil, causing erosion and landslides. In just 2 centuries, a lush paradise became barren. The goats weren't malicious. They were simply surviving. But without natural checks, their success spelled disaster for the ecosystem. St. Helena is a stark lesson in the dangers of invasive species. Even the humble goat can reshape a landscape for better or worse. Nature's balance is delicate, and our actions have lasting consequences. Goat's milk has been prized for millennia, not just as food, but as medicine. Its small fat globules and unique proteins make it easier to digest than cow's milk, ideal for infants and those with sensitivities. Goat's milk contains less of the allergenic alpha-S1 casein, and its protein profile is closer to human milk. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamins A and C, and prebiotic oligosaccharides for gut health. Many who can't tolerate cow's milk thrive on goat's milk and its cheeses. This nutritional powerhouse has sustained people across continents and centuries. Our ancestors recognized its value, a gift from the goat that endures today. In every drop, goat's milk is a testament to the wisdom of ancient partnership. Today, goats are at the frontier of biotechnology. Scientists have engineered transgenic goats to produce valuable human proteins in their milk, a process called farming. One breakthrough: goats producing spider silk proteins spun into biosteel, a fibre stronger than steel and ideal for medicine and industry. Other goats make pharmaceutical proteins like atrin, an anticoagulant used to treat rare disorders. These living bioreactors offer scalable, cost-effective ways to create advanced materials and medicines. The goat, once a symbol of ancient nurture, is now a partner in shaping the future. From food to fibre to pharmaceuticals, its role continues to evolve. The humble goat is once again at the heart of human innovation. As the sun sets over the Fertile Crescent, we remember where our journey with goats began. Here, 11,000 years ago, humans domesticated the wild Bezoar ibex, gaining a steady source of milk and meat. This partnership allowed us to settle, farm, and build the first civilizations. Goats travelled with us, thriving in deserts, mountains, and everywhere in between. Their adaptability mirrored our own, enabling human expansion across the globe. The goat's story is woven into the fabric of our history. It was our living larder, our warmth, our key to a settled life. The goat's quiet presence shaped the rise of civilization. Its legacy endures in every corner of the world. From myth to modern science, the goat story is one of survival, partnership, and transformation. It has shaped our world, feeding gods in legend and humans in reality. Its domestication unlocked the door to civilization, and its biology inspired medicine and myth. Yet, its power to create is matched by its capacity to destroy, as St. Helena's tale reminds us. The goat mirrors our own impact on the planet, builders and disruptors alike. Today, it stands with us at the edge of a new era, a source of food, fiber, and innovation. The goat's enduring legacy is pressed deep into our past and future. In its quiet reign, it remains one of the most influential creatures on Earth.